So I don't have any pattern here, but what we're going to do is a simple running stitch. Start underneath the fabric and we're going to just do a line. So we're going to come up, pull until you gently feel the knot on the other side resisting, and go down. Just we're doing small stitches, so less than ½ centimetre. Don't want to pull it too tight, just so the stitch sits on top of the fabric. Now you need to do the same with the cross. And go down. Try and do a straight-ish line here, but we are just practicing. And you can either practice on a blank piece of scrap fabric, as I am doing, or you can draw yourself a little picture. Or you could get a kit. There are some kits available that do basic stitches just to let you practice. If you want to just get started, you don't need a kit. Not doing bad. So if you are right-handed, you will work from right to left. If you are left-handed, you work from left to right.